What's going on? Where am I? What happened? And why don't I know my name? Am I losing it? Am I going insane? Why did I ever put the f***ing headset on? I just needed a break, but now it looks like I'm stuck in this game.
Welcome to our digital, whimsical, eternal parade, where we've got infinite adventures, games, and parties to play. No need to fight it, get excited, start accepting your fate. You'll be here day after day after day after. Welcome to our
Swear I saw an exit here. Did it disintegrate? There's got to be a way for me to get away. And I refuse to let that pair of dentures tell me I am here to stay. But when I close my eyes, I still can hear him say,
Welcome to our digital, whimsical, eternal parade, where we've got infinite adventures, games, and parties to play. No need to fight it, get excited, start accepting your fate. You'll be here day after day after day after. Welcome to our
Who am I can't remember. When did I become a jester? The authors say we can't be free. The lost is me. I need to stay calm and I can't lose my head. If I don't keep my cool, I might end up abstracted. I don't know my name, but I'm stuck in his game. So for now, all I can do is say, welcome to the